Hello friends! Is your car struggling with power loss, rough idling, or excessive fuel consumption? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows code P0295, then your cylinder 13 fuel injector circuit has a high voltage issue. Ignoring this can lead to misfires, poor mileage, and even severe engine damage. But don't worry. In this video, we'll explain what P0295 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0295? P0295 stands for Cylinder 13 Injector Circuit High. This means that the fuel injector in cylinder 13 is receiving more voltage than it should. This can cause the injector to stay open too long, dumping excessive fuel into the cylinder. The result? Rough engine performance, fuel wastage, and potential damage to your catalytic converter. Common symptoms of P0295: check engine, light on, engine misfires and rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, power loss during acceleration, black smoke from the exhaust, and hard starting or engine stalling. If your car is showing any of these symptoms, let's locate the faulty component and fix it. Sensor location. Where to check? To diagnose P0295, focus on these key components. Cylinder 13, fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor, usually found on the fuel rail, monitoring fuel pressure. Injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay, connecting the injectors to the ECU. Engine control unit, located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, controlling injector voltage. Fuel pressure regulator, typically mounted on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank, managing fuel pressure. A fault in any of these parts can trigger P0295. Common causes of P0295 include a faulty fuel injector, which might be stuck open and spraying too much fuel-damaged wiring or connectors, where short circuits or broken wires can cause excessive voltage, a malfunctioning fuel pressure sensor, leading to incorrect readings and improper injector control ECU failure, potentially sending higher than normal voltage to the injector and fuel system problems, such as a failing fuel pump or pressure regulator causing fuel imbalance. How to fix P0295. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 13 fuel injector if it's faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace it if needed. Then, examine the injector wiring harness for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. After that, test the fuel pressure regulator for correct operation. Once repairs are made, scan and reset the ECU. If the issue persists, consider reprogramming or replacing the ECU. P0295 is a fuel injector circuit issue that affects engine performance and fuel economy. Fixing it early can save you money on repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about fuel injector circuit issues? Watch these next videos: P0265, Cylinder 2 Injector Circuit High, and P0266, Cylinder 3 Contribution Balance Fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.